Hi there guys, so here is a question from October 2019 WMA 11. The second question, I've done the first part. You can look in my previous video. I've just started off. So here's the question. A tree was planted in the ground. Planted in the ground. Was planted in the ground exactly after 2 years. Exactly after 2 years, the height was 1.85, right? And the second one says exactly after 7 years, the height was 3.45 meters. So basically, what you actually think while you just have a look on the question, it's surely showing us some signs to solve it simultaneously. So given the height h meters, t years after it was planted, alright, this is an equation. You're gonna look for it. So what do they say? Find the value of a and b, right? So let's do the a part. The b I'll do later. So here they say is, I'll have to wrap this up and you're gonna look at yourself. I'll just keep the equation here, and we have to find the values of a and b. A, find values of a and b. H is equals to the height and t equals to the time period where it grew. So let's find out. First of all, you're gonna write them in a way where you can actually understand the question. You're gonna take the first one. They say exactly after 2 years, the height was 1.85. So you're gonna take the first equation as 2 years as the time and height as 1.85, right? So here we go. H equals to 1.85 equals to a. We'll take this equation for the both parts as they have given in the question to solve it simultaneously. So in 2 years, t will be 2 plus b, and now we're gonna take the other part where it says 7 years. 7 years with the height of 3.5, with h equals to 3.45, right? So it will be 3.45 equals to a after 7 years plus b. So here are the equations, as you can see. Now we're gonna take them as b equals to 3. We can do two forms. We can substitute or we can eliminate them. So I'm gonna take the option of substitution. Let's make up one of them. Let's take this one. it will be b equals to 7a plus 3.45. Okay, so this is b, and now you're gonna take this b and insert it in this question, whereas it will go as a2 multiplied plus, you're gonna take here the b, this is the equation for b now, 7a plus 3.45 equals to 1.85. Now I'm gonna erase this part, no choice, you can have a look. This is always the first part is to make simultaneous equations, then either substitution or elimination, then this is how it goes. So I'm taking the substitution here. So what are we gonna do here is 2a plus 7a will give us a 9a equals to, we're gonna take this on the other side, 3.45, yeah, 1.85 minus 3.45. Let me check if I've done some mistake. Yeah, I've done here. It's 7 minus 3.5. Well, this is plus, this is minus 7. So here, what's the problem? It will be minus 7a. Change this minus 7a. Minus 5a. Yeah, minus 5a here. 1.85 minus 3.5 will give you, let me erase it. Well, let's just not remove this part. Minus 5a will give you 3.45, 1.85 minus m, 0, 2, 1, 14 minus 8, 6.21, 1.6, right, minus 1.6 minus 5a. Now what you're going to do, you're going to cancel out both of them, or maybe you can cancel them out afterwards when you divide them. A equals to 1.6 over 5, which gives you point 10, 15, 1, then a 0, 2, 0.32. A equals to 0.32. So A is found now. Now you can substitute this value in any equation, because we have actually find out the value of A, and now we can find B too. Now let's take one of these any equations and put that A equals to 0.32 into any of the equations. It will be B equals to 2 into 0.32 minus 2.032. Well, actually we can even do in this way as how it is. Well, I'm not gonna take this way. Let me take another way. I guess I'm done confused. Really not joking, seriously. So let's take this one as it is. 1.85 equals to A is 0.32 into 2 plus B. So here it will be 0.32 into 2, which would give us sorry, 2 into 4, 6.64, I think so. 0.64, yes, sure, it will give us 0.64 plus B equals to 1.85, and then we'll just take it on the other side as here 1.85 minus 0.64 equals to B. B is equals to 1.85 0.64, or you'll give us 2.1. B equals to 1.21. Now we have both of them here, values of A and B, right?